Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set your follow preferences on HubSpot. There are many times when we really need to monitor something. It may be a lead, or a deal, or a ticket, or whatever it is. There are times when you need to track its activity and performance. In HubSpot, you can follow a contact, company, deal, or ticket record and receive notifications when there's new activity on the record. For example, a sales manager can follow a deal to track stage changes and ensure that sales reps are keeping up with their outreach, while an account manager, on the other hand, can follow a company and be notified when the new note is left on their timeline. You can easily monitor and focus on what task you're assigned. Whatever it is that you need to monitor, we will walk you through on how to set up your follow preferences. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Log into your HubSpot account. That's www.hubspot.com. Click your account name, located at the top right corner, and click the Profile and Preference link. Click the HubSpot section under the notification. Look for the Follow section and select the notification type checkboxes to turn all of your follow notifications on or off. Now that you've set up your follow preferences, let us walk you through on how to follow a contact, company, deal, or ticket. What you need to do next is to navigate to your contact, company, deal, or ticket and click the name. Once you're in the profile page, in the card at the upper right, click the Actions drop-down, then select Follow. Just do the same thing if you will unfollow it. You should see a green prompt indicating that you're already following the contact. You'll now receive email follow notifications based on the preferences you've set earlier. And that, ladies and gents, are the steps on how to set your follow preferences on HubSpot. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.agency and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!